Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. You've probably heard of GitHub, but do you really know how powerful it is? In today's video, I'm breaking down the ultimate GitHub guide. Even if you're not a programmer, you will know how to take full advantage of the world's biggest open source platform. From AI image and video tools and online courses to magical software, we're diving into a treasure trove of free resources. Let's unlock the open source universe together. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what GitHub actually is. GitHub is the world's largest open source code hosting platform. It lets people store, share, and collaborate on code for free and track every change along the way. But here is the thing. Even if you're not a developer, GitHub is packed with tools, software, and tutorials you can download and use. Want AI tools like DeepSeek, Flux, or 1.2.1, web templates, or automation scripts? GitHub has it all. So let's jump into how you can use it. Step one is you're gonna sign up or log in. So we're gonna head over to the GitHub website, and I have dropped the link in the description. If you're new, you can just hit the sign up button in the top right to create an account right here in the top right corner. Now from here, you're just going to create an account by entering your email, your password, username, as well as your country or your region. Now you can also opt to receive occasional product updates and announcements depending whether you want it or not. Now I'm just gonna put in my login credentials. I'm gonna continue with my Google account and I will meet you guys later. Okay, so now that once you're in, you will land on the GitHub homepage. If you can't log in, your network might be blocked, so try switching to a US-based VPN or another network. That usually fixes it. But if you're in Asia or any other continent, usually it works well. But if it doesn't, you can just try using a VPN. Let's move on to step two, which is hunting for gold or the search bar. The search bar at the top is your best friend. But don't just type AI. Let's search something for something specific. Try searching for awesome AI tools. So we're just going to type it in here. Awesome AI tools, and then we're going to hit on enter, or you can also try no code AI depending on what you want to search for. Now here's the pro move. Once the result pop up, you're going to click on sort right here at the top, and then you're going to select most stars. Stars are like the likes of GitHub. If a project has 50,000 stars, you know it's the real deal and safe to use. As you can see here, this first one that came up has 79.3 thousand likes, and that usually means that this is the safest option, or a lot of users have already tried this and it most probably have worked on them. Now, step three, navigating a project without getting lost. When you click into a project, let's say I'm going to click on this one right here, and it might look like a wall of folders. As you can see here, there's a lot of folders that you can find, and some other projects may have even more folders right here. Now, what you're going to do is we're actually going to ignore these folders and just look for four things. The first one is the About section that you can find right here at the right side of the screen. It's the elevator pitch for the project. Now, if you scroll down, you can also find this README section. This is second most important. This is the manual. It has the photos, the how-to, and the features that this folder has or this project has. Now, another thing is the releases. This is the most important part for you. You're going to click this to find the actual files that you can install, and also you can look for .exe for Windows, .dng for Mac, or .apk for Android. Now, another thing that is important is the Issues tab. So you're going to click on the Issues tab right here at the top, and then this is the help desk. If the software isn't working, someone here probably already found it fixed. Now, let's say you want to see what's going viral right now. We're going to hit that menu icon in the top left right here, which looks like this three horizontal lines. And then from here, we're going to go to Explore. From the Explore page, we're just going to hit on Trending. So you can find the trending tab right here at the top. So you're just going to give that a tap. And this is where you will find the next big thing before it hits the news. You can filter this by this week or this month to see what's currently exploding in the tech world. So you can do that by clicking on the state range right here, and you can just click on anything right here. You can do today, this week, or this month. Now, don't just find projects, you find people. You're going to click on this developers tab right here in the explore section, and then you're going to follow creators who consistently put out cool stuff. I highly recommend for Free Code Camp for Learning or Sindre Soros for his legendary awesome lists. They are literally curated list of the best tools on the internet. Or you can also explore some other developers right here, depending on what kind of project you want and whether their taste or their projects actually suit your taste. So, what's actually inside? What can you walk away with today? First thing is a lit education. You can search for CS50 or System Design Primer to get a university level education for $0. You can also get creative assets. You can search awesome design for thousands of free fonts, icons, and UI kits. You can also do AI power if you look for Moonbeam or local LLM to run powerful AI right on your own computer without paying a monthly subscription. Now, you have to start your collection. GitHub is a gateway to a world of free, high quality digital gold. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just a fan of free stuff, you need to be on here. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI secrets. And do me a favor, go find one project you love, hit the star button to support the creator, and tell me what you found in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one.